Hello people, welcome back to Gardenified. How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I multiplied my Scindapsus neon. We'll see how to water propagate, cutting propagation, and transferring the cuttings from water to soil. I'm gonna put the cuttings from the test tube to the small pot and use the bigger pot for the cuttings that I'm gonna cut from the bigger plant. You will need a well-draining potting mix. To prepare that, you need 70% cocoa pit mix with 30% perlite. Scindapsus neon needs a smaller container for best results. So I'm going to take all of them out of this big pot and make smaller cuttings and transfer the smaller plants as well. The one I'm taking out now is a cutting which I saved in my previous video, but it hasn't rooted yet. So older leaves like these will have to go into water for rooting. And make sure that you're careful not to break the roots when you take out the existing plants. I'm gonna take this vine out of this pot because by the looks of it, seems to be not doing okay. Seems like I was right. There are barely any roots. It's a good opportunity to multiply when there are signs of the plant not doing well. So you save the plant and you also get many of them. When you're cutting the vine, make sure that you leave at least one leaf with a node. It's best to water propagate the top leaves. They've produced very good roots with my previously water propagated cuttings that can go into soil. And all it took was just 30 days to root in this test tube. The advantages of using a smaller container like a test tube is that 1. They easily adapt to the outside temperature. Number 2, doesn't spread waterborne diseases from other cuttings as they are one in each test tube. And number 3 is that the roots can grow longer as they can go deep. Now I'm going to fill the bigger pot with more perlite for the cuttings and the smaller plants. And fill the smaller pot with lesser perlite as cocoa peat will retain water for the water propagated cuttings so that they adapt to the water to soil transition. Okay, we're all set, but it's not over yet. Hold on. Alright, I changed water from the test tubes every 15 days or so for these cuttings, and they've pretty much rooted really well and long. So pretty much we've seen all the three methods to propagate Scindapsus, and wish you all a happy new year, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you guys. See you next time.